So I just received my Argos Olympus watch. This is with the pine green dial and silver leather strap. So with the offer of New Year offer, I got this for around 10,000, and this is the packaging. I think it's with some bubble wrap. Let me open it. Yeah, here is some bubble wrap. There is nothing here, so keep it aside. So that's how this box looks. And here comes the watch box. Yeah, there is a Argos logo here with the brand name. Yeah. The packaging looks pretty premium. Like, I've never seen any budget range watch under 10,000 with this kind of packaging, so that is an impressive thing. Yeah, and here's the watch. The inside packaging is also good. There's some booklet with it with the specifications and instructions. The quality is good. The leather quality is also good, and this butterfly buckle is also looking premium. So yeah, that's it about the watch. So this is how this watch looks on my wrist. This case diameter is 40 mm and lug to lug is 45 mm, and the thickness of the dial is 13.5 mm approximately, and the glass here is a double domed sapphire crystal glass, which is very less risky as compared to the mineral or any other glass types. So there will be no scratches easily on this watch, so we can be tension free about that. And the movement of this watch is 33 joules, and power reserve indicator shows that how much power is remaining on the watch to run, and the power reserve is of 40 hours. So it's a hand winding watch, so it winds by the movement of the hand. We can hear some sound as well when I'm moving my hand. I don't know if it is audible to the mic or not. Yeah, but it is winding and it's working as of now. For seconds there is a separate dial, you can see. There is a power reserve indicator. So yeah, so far this watch is looking good. We can set or modify the date as well with this. With the pin we have to adjust this. So yeah, for 10,000 rupees I think this is a good watch. Spec wise this is looking good, but I will review again after like using it for 1 or 2 years after this warranty. I got this only with the 1 year of warranty, and we'll see how it goes after some time.